सामुएल सोरेन या मूळ आसामाच्या तरणाट्याच्या खून प्रकरणात कोलवा पुलिशेन झारखंडच्या एका संशयित जोडप्याक ताब्यात घेतला. संशयितान खुनाची कबुली दिल्या. आरडेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Today morning, our team from Jharkhand returned back to Goa along with the main two accused, that is Mangra Gopi and his wife Itna Devi. They were apprehended in Jharkhand with the help of Palkot police, and with very hard efforts, our police traced them, apprehended it in an Naxalite area which is close to Chhattisgarh. So today we arrested them and we are asking for a 14 days remand with the judicial magistrate first class at Margao. The motive of the is still not confirmed. Mostly it is plain thing, iffy. Yeah, the deceased person is a friend of theirs couples. Mangra Gopi and Itna Devi, he was a friend, and he was known to them. Other than 302, the section 201 and read with 34 IPC has been implemented.